Corn. 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 What's going on? What? We should stop appearing in season 2 episodes. Season 2? How do you know that? So, you know what we're battling for? Yeah? You know what season this is based on? Yeah? We're battling for BFTHM. So? What do you mean so? I'm trying to help you with what season this is. What's wrong with you? What are you even talking about anyway? Okay, never mind that. But, which season was last time? Season 2? No, it was season 1, stupid. What? Bro, was there a season 0? Season 0? Season 0? No! Also, the cake host, he told me how many seasons there will be in BFTHM. Don't you mean Battle for the Happy Meal? Yeah. Well, I'm gonna reveal it right now to you viewers who are watching right now. So, don't worry about the blood, but anyways, there's actually 4 seasons. The first season, which is done, the second season, which is right now, season 3, the first time ever, it's BFTHM again. Oh yeah, a season 2 of BFTHM season? Oh yes. But season 4, sadly, is going to be the last one. Season 4 is going to be the last one. It's going to be based on IDFB. And it's going to actually be called Meal Happy The For Battle. It's very confusing to say. And it's not very addictive to say, too. Okay, cool. So now we know how many seasons there are. Can we focus on the episode? That was fake? Yeah, I was actually just looking at you, not the viewers. Oh my god, bro. Where'd you get the hack from? Where'd you get the fake face from? I bought it from a YouTuber, which is a tutorialist. Huh? He showed me how to make the face, actually. I didn't buy it. Oh, cool. What's this short called? How to make facing at camera melon? I don't know, but it was front face melon. Don't you mean front man? No. No. We've been staying here for 3 minutes just talking, so can we finish the episode? Ooh. Yeah. Water. That's the corner. God dang, bro. Are you okay? Yeah. Well, good. I'm gonna take you. Oh, hey. Hey, Dragon Fruit. Do you like my son? Hi, I'm April. And I'm his son. I love you, Dad. Me too, but lost my friend in this. Also, you're not competitive. What are you doing here? I just wanted to visit you, Dad. I missed you. Hey, what is that thing? What is that thing? Anyways, yes, I love my son. He's so cute. Thank you. Okay, we're gonna stop talking about cuteness and start the challenge now. Okay. Before he thinks that's wow, is that a competitor? Who's that? What are you doing here, host? Oh, I don't know. Just chilling, I guess. So is that a competitor? If he isn't, I'll slice you to shreds. Don't worry. No, he's not a competitor. I'm going to turn you to shreds. And get up, son. Ow! Nobody was here. Nobody. Are you sure about that? If you lie again, then you will touch this awesome blade. I'm gonna just use chainsaws. Oh, you want it? You want it? No. Hey, stop! Never again. You're going to stay put as your friend. No. Chill, bro. I'm just gonna leave my son. You want to be eliminated? If you do, then there'll be a depot. Don't you mean depot? Nobody knows how to pronounce it now because this man who was controlling me, he forgot how to say it. Okay, was it depot or depot? Depot? Yeah, I'm afraid he forgot. But if somebody gets eliminated early, there will be a depot in the next episode? Yes. If you want to be eliminated, then go ahead. Go ahead, man. Just go ahead. Yeah. There will be that thing where recommended characters become. It'll come at episode 4, don't worry. Anyways, start the challenge. Chop. Shut up. What'd you say to me? Nothing, bro. Nothing. Chill. Shut up. Or I'll oof you. You hear me? Start the dang challenge already. Wait. This episode's part is gonna be small because only Team 3 has to do it. Not my team and Team 4. Oh, I forgot. But wait, I got an idea. How about you get eliminated next episode since you want to be eliminated? Oh, that would be so nice. Then I can use my friend practice. Okay, good. But you'll lose the BFTHM. Are you sure about this? I never wanted the BFTHM. You just put me in. Okay, I'll eliminate you next episode. You don't have to worry. Now, what's the challenge? I guess. Okay, guys, we have already started the challenge. But, but you have only 3 members too. Just like Team 2. They're about to have 2 members because they're about to lose Apple. And it's only gonna be Dragon Fruit and Human. Kind of like episode 2. Okay, stop yapping and stop the challenge. Okay. Watch episode 3A. I already did. Me too. Me too. So you do know the job, right? Yep. Okay, so that means you can start. And at the end, if you went to the end, you can hear that I have said 4 minutes because there's actually 4 ropes on this thing and it's also frozen. So you have to break the laws of physics and break the ropes. Good luck on doing that in 4 minutes. See you soon. We're cooked for real. But when is it gonna start? It's gonna start in a lot of seconds. It's gonna start in a lot of seconds, so get prepared. You don't need to get prepared. We have everything. Our team, and that's it. Don't you have a chainsaw monster? Oh, no. Get that quick. Please. Yes. Start. It should be 10 minutes on the timer when you're done. I know the job too. So yeah, you don't need to tell me. Oh god, this thing, it's also, I can't get in. How do you guys operate this thing? You need to move it. Oh, I see. You guys actually need to freeze it, right? Well, I could actually do it for you. I can really do that. Wait. I can do my purpose now. Yes! And it's over real quick and waste your minute. Deserved. Yep. Definitely. I think you do anything. Now, your minute is up. You have 3 minutes left. But you have to use those 3 minutes to break the laws of physics and unfreeze it. Well, I'm only gonna do 2 ropes for you because you're so mean. Wait, there's only 10? Oh yeah, but there's only 2 more. Well, neither does yourself because you're so mean. Bye. No! Well, we're cooked. We do not know how to break the laws of physics. Well, I do, kind of. I'm a literal Nintendo Switch, so I know how to do it. Are you sure? Being a Nintendo Switch does not mean that. Shut up. What'd you say, brother? Nothing. Ew, there's 2 brothers in the head. Hey, I'm a Nintendo Switch. That's why. Yeah, don't talk to my brother like that either. And for that, we're gonna waste your minute. So you have 2 minutes. Well, now you have 2 minutes. Yup. Deserved also. I hate you too. Yup. We don't know how to break the laws of physics. Me too. Why don't we quit? We're gonna both quit because you're being so mean to us. You do it yourself. Yeah. Try to figure it out yourself. Oh, so here's a hint. You have to break the second wall of the game. The 4th wall of the game is just literally talking through the tablet. Somebody's playing on this tablet with us? Absolute silence. No, it's awkward silence. Well, anyways, we only got 1 minute left. So chop cake, chop. What do you mean? We have 1 minute left. All because of you. Cut your head off! Oops, I'm sorry. But you still got 1 rope! Oopsies. I forgot you can take off his parts. Why is that one cut? I'm gonna eat it because he's literal cake. Well, that was stupid. So, to make sure my team doesn't lose, I'm gonna actually have to... Wait, 2 people died. So, wait. But there's 1 minute left on the clock! Please! I need to keep my team members. But if you keep them, then that won't make sense. Well, you got 10 seconds left on the clock. How do I break the laws of physics again? I forgot! Please, God! Please! Too late. It's 10 minutes on the clock already. Well, anyways, it's time for me to spawn. So yours better work. Okay, I'm here. So yeah, let's make sure this is on the ground. what happened here? Oh, some chainsaw guy, he lifted it. You gotta be kidding me. But since this is physically not going down, and we're literally floating, that means it's still frozen. So that means you're gonna lose a team member. Meanwhile, Apple will be eliminated first because he wanted to and he never wanted to compete. That's heartbreaking. Well, so which team member do you want to lose? I want to lose Cake. Cake? Okay, as you wish. Okay, so Cake will be lost now. Sorry, Cake. Oh, seriously? Wait, you can talk? Yep. Ah! Get away from me! Oh.